Huh, you know it's Benjamin the Victor, the chosen one. Yes, and this is one of the Jamaica in the world. It's called Hurricane Mellisa. You don't know a CV with it, I don't know Engineer Bourbon. I want to listen to one upon a slim thing with him, yeah. Kick it, Burb.
There is only one ruler on the throne, and his name is Jehovah, God Almighty. Too long have he held his anger.
Right?
For a moment the world shall fear his anger. People, what a catastrophic disaster caused by Hurricane Mellisa, the worst ever to hit Jamaica. Category 5 development in the Caribbean water.
What a catastrophic disaster caused by Hurricane Mellisa, the worst
ever to hit Jamaica. Cat 5
Terrible.
development in the Caribbean water. Grandma never see them thing here from she born. Over the years she been to hurricane and storm. Houses sink, yes, roof wash way gone. And no people can find them new band. Wind speed 160 destroy every farm. The bed toll rising, we no hear from town. Mellisa straighten the
Yeah, man, I hit this.
Jamaica get hit by the eye of the storm. Right now the island need aid. People say them think a hurricane a man-made. The aftermath is not a very good sighting. Mellisa give we breathe.
You want to like and share and comment on that one. I want to think about it, yeah.
They want to turn Black River in a smart city. Hurricane Mellisa carry down in history. Fox News, they are CNN and BBC. It a go take a time for Jamaica recover, but for that God already
Don't have recover
what a catastrophic disaster
caused by Hurricane Mellisa.
the worst ever to hit Jamaica. Strongest hurricane. Category 5 development in the Caribbean water. What a catastrophic disaster caused by Hurricane Mellisa. The worst ever to hit Jamaica. Cat 5 development in the Caribbean water. Jamaica face the fury. The
Western side of the country,
St. Elizabeth, Mobile, St. Mary, Westmoreland, St. Anne's,
Trelawney,
people body them a
find under dirt,
Mellisa wicked and
51 Storm and Gilbert.
people living in low-lying areas was urged. Landslide, flooding, the whole place submerged. Many places are without light. Roadblock, people no eat day and night. Some no have nowhere to
Sad, you
sleep.
know?
Houses destroy, car and jeep.
Yeah, all is vanity.
Bless.